Hello students, from class UKG, my task book English 2. Today we will see the pictures and take the correct names. Are you ready students? Okay students, see the picture and tell me what is it? It is a nib or it is a bib? Very good. It is a bib. See the picture and tell me what is it? It is a bin or it is a tin? Who's tell me? It is not bin. It is a tin. Now see the picture and tell me what is it? It is a kid or it is a lid? Very good. It is a lid. Lid means dhakkan. Now next, see the picture and tell me what is it? It is a lip or it is a jib? Very good. It is a zip. See the picture and tell me what is it doing? It is digging or it is digging? Very good. It is digging. Its correct name is D-I-G, dig. See the picture and tell me what is it? What is it doing? It is hitting or it is sitting? Very good. It is sitting. So its correct name is S-I-T, sit. Now see the picture and tell me what is it? It is lip or it is jib? Very good. It is lip. See the picture and tell me its correct name. N-I-B, nib or F-I-G, fig? It is not fig. Its correct name is N-I-B, nib. Students, again see the picture and repeat its correct name. Repeat with me. B-I-B, bib. T-I-N, tin. L-I-D, lid. Z-I-P, zip. D-I-G, dig. S-I-T, sit. L-I-P, lip. N-I-B, nib. So students, your today's homework is do it in your My Task Book English 2. Okay students.